welcome back to this episode. We're at the boat again.
In this video, we're going to be doing the rest of the boat work to get it back in the water. We're so excited. Let's get into it. So what are we doing first, Lucy?
We're going to be taping up the boat first. So we're getting the tape on here so that we don't get the paint on all the white part of the boat and ruin the white.
I tell you what, it's a really nice sunny day to be doing this. We've decided to move the water line, and the reason for this is the boat is quite a heavy boat, so it sits quite low in the water. So we're just moving it so it protects a bit more of the fiberglass.
Concentration.
Lucy's just going around now checking the tape, making sure everything's okay.
So if you come here, you'll see that we've missed gaps with the masking tape. So I'm just covering them gaps so that we don't get any blue paint on them.
There is one thing I'm not happy about, is there's loads of spiders webs on the boat. Loads. Look at all them. Look at all those spider webs. Oh my god. Thick spider webs. Look in there. Oh my god. I can't wait to get it back in the water. What do you think of the spider webs?
There's way too many, and I think there's going to be millions of spiders inside the boat. I'm not looking forward to going inside the boat and having to find all these little or big spiders.
We've not even been in the boat yet, so that's going to be fun.
I am not looking forward to that part. It's around about midday now, so we're going to go to the shop and get some dinner.
There she is, look. Home sweet home. I'm hungry.
I'm digging in right now.
Eat this, then back to boat work. Priming.
We've just started the priming process. We've done one layer all over the boat. We're in a bit of a rush to get it done, so we didn't film that part. But as you can see, it's all silver, looking good. We got to do another layer over the top of it, wait for that to dry, and anti-foul it.
It's just gone 4 o'clock, and what a day it's been. We've primed some of the top bits of the boat, so we're going to paint them white with our non-slip paint. It's not advised, but it makes the boat look a little bit better.
Yeah, of course it will. Yeah, well, we're going to get on with that. And then anti-foul tomorrow. I'm excited to see it change from silver to blue. It'll look really cool, I think. I can't wait for it to be done and back in the water. We've done everything we need to do to the boat now. So as we've finished, we've decided to go down to the pontoon and spend 5-10 minutes on the pontoon.
Hide is in! Lovely jubbly. I just generally love it here, to be fair. Seriously can't wait for a few things, and that is the boat being in the water, us being on the water in the boat and going sailing. Just look how beautiful it is. Stunning.
Let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you.
Good morning, day 2 of boat work. We're going to start anti-fouling soon.
So Dave, what are you doing?
I'm just emptying underneath the bed because that's where our stuff is. We need the rollers, we need the anti-foul. Get everything ready. Anti-foul. I opened that tin with my chest before. First job is painting the keels, so we're going to do that now.
So we We've finished anti-fouling the first coat on the keels. That's how they're looking. They look very nice. Go wait for that to dry and then we'll put a second coat on it. We will be doing the underneath of the boat next, I think, while we're waiting for the keels to dry.
I'm going to do the mast. So we primed it yesterday, but I'm going to paint it blue. That's what it looks like done. I've even done the hinges. This brush is goosed, so air's gone everywhere, but we'll have to paint it with the white. It's not a problem. She's looking so good.
I can't wait to pull this masking tape off, and that'll be like a beautiful straight line. It's gonna look so good. Yeah, I'm so happy.
Not long now till we get her in the water. We're going to go and have some dinner. I don't know what time it is. I'll look at the sun and see. It's about 11:45.
It's 12 o'clock. I am making dinner. We're having cheese leek and ham pasta. Should be done in about 10 minutes.
Starving.
We're not painting this white for the look of it. There was a lot of fiberglass showing underneath it, so we've decided we're going to paint over it.
And that's what the boat looks like, fully anti-fouled. We've done such a good job. All that's to do now is put her back in the water. I'm really excited. Lucy's just in the shower, and then I'm gonna get a shower and we're gonna have tea. That's it for now.
Stay tuned for the next one where the boat finally goes in the water.
And we go on our first sail. Whoop!
Make sure to not miss it. Hit the subscribe button.
And the bell notification button so you don't miss it.
Running at the speed of light, trying to seize everything you desire.